This video is going to quickly show us how to order shipping supplies from USPS.com. So you're going to navigate to USPS.com up here in your web search bar, and you'll toggle over to where it says shop, and then down to shipping supplies. Once shipping supplies comes up, we're automatically going to narrow it down on the side to where it says free shipping supplies, so you can check that box. And this is going to show all the free shipping supplies. In the task description, it will have exactly what you need to order. But let's say we are ordering the padded flat rate mailers. So you'll scroll through until you find the name of what it is we need to order for the week. And once you find the product, we're going to go ahead and add it into our cart. Once you've found what we need to order, you're going to go ahead and click on the item, and it's going to bring up the item here where you can then add it to the cart, and I'll have outlined what we need to order. So let's say we're ordering 2 packs. We'll push the add to cart button, and then you can either keep shopping if there's more items, or you can check out. We'll move over into our checkout screen. The user ID will be posted into our task description. And once you key it in, you can sign in. And then it's going to prompt you through the checkout process once you're signed in. So you can move over to where it says checkout now. It will default to the shipping address. You don't have to change it. Just leave it as it is and push ship to this address. You'll get a shipping verification screen. And we're always going to select the free shipping option. So whichever one comes up free, we'll push confirm. And then on the final screen, make sure you push the green button that says place my order. We'll push I agree. And that is all. Then our order has been placed and you can move to the next task.